Hello everyone. I talked with a few of you about the new marketing platform that we have for Qubitlife, which is basically you could call it as a funnel system. I wouldn't call it as a funnel system really because it doesn't have a landing page and stuff like that. It has basically a presentation video, and before the video you would have to enter your details, and that's how you would get access. But anyway, let me show you Idecide. It's an interactive platform, and basically you can get access to the presentation, as I told you, and basically it's a very interactive, it's a very personalized way of getting the information about Qubitlife. So if you have a harder time recruiting, or if you have a harder time talking to people about the opportunity, how to share the compensation plan, this is for you. Okay, so this is something you should have a look at and you should start working on. So let me show you a little bit. Of course, this is just a quite brief introduction video about what Idecide does, and basically this platform was made based on their past experiences and what they saw, what doesn't work, and how people cannot really stay focused during a presentation. So they wanted to come up with something that will resolve that issue when people cannot listen to for a presentation for like an hour and a half, and this platform can be a very great tool to help to resolve that problem. So anyway, this is how the main page looks like, obviously. And most of you guys consider joining the lifetime offer that we had for $149. If you miss that option, you can still choose for the monthly or the annual one, and you still have those two options available. I personally chose the lifetime for $149. So actually I paid once and I don't have to pay for the platform ever again. So that's something I found very, very useful and important for me to do. So I will jump on board straight away. So basically what the platform does is you get notified when a prospect of yours starts watching the presentation that you sent. So you send out the link and you get notified by text or by email, whichever you choose, and you get notified if the person started to watch the presentation, and also if they finished watching the presentation, what is the outcome basically. Do they want to join, or do they need more information, etc., etc. So here we go. So this is what I was talking about. So 91% of people admit that they daydream during presentations. So basically people wander around. 91% of the people who watch presentations, they start wandering around. They don't pay attention. Usually they you know, if you don't catch their attention in the first few minutes, usually they're not gonna watch the whole presentation or the rest of the presentation. So that's why they created this fully interactive experience, so the people would keep engaged. You know, so they would engage people to respond. They would keep their focus. They would keep their attention, because they would ask questions that the prospect would have to respond to. So imagine more presentations watched, higher close rates of presentations, increased sales. 100% compliant every single time. Testimonials, obviously we have frequently asked questions here that you can have a look at. But now let's log in and see how the platform itself looks like in the back office with the presentation. So if I click login, oh, I'm already logged in, never mind. So in here I would see the contacts. I would see the contacts that I sent my video to, because of personal reasons, obviously, to protect their data. I'm not gonna show it to you, but you will see the names of the people that you sent the presentation link, okay, and they watched your video that you sent, and of course the outcome. if they are ready to join, if they need more information from you, if they would want to schedule a meeting with you, things like that. Okay, and now I'm going to give you a little glimpse of how these links look like. So anyway, I also made a like a experiment kind of thing, if it really works. So what I did is basically I entered my own details to see if the link works fine and everything like that. So if I would want to send a link to someone, then I would click post link, and then it would show me Qubitlife left and Qubitlife right. Okay, so depending on which leg you want to place your prospect, that depending on which leg you would want to place your prospect, that's the type of presentation you would pick, right? So basically the platform is asking you by email to submit your left leg referral link and your right leg referral link. When you've done that, the system is automatically going to link those presentations to your referral link, so you don't have to worry about it. So if you send the left and people decide to join, that person is going to end up on your left. If you send the right, that person is going to end up on your right. Okay, simple as that. So when you click next, let's say I'm pick the right. If you click next, then it's going to show you the link over here. So you can share it on Facebook and create a nice post about it or something, or you can just copy it to the clipboard. Okay, and you can send it to, like, I don't know, Instagram messages, you can send it by email, you can send it in Messenger, you can send it in LinkedIn, wherever you want to send it to. That's entirely up to you. Or you can even send it by text if you want to, but it's up to you. So anyway, and of course it's asking the question, how would you like to be notified? For me, it's set to email, so I'm getting email updates when someone starts watching my video. Or you can obviously select text messages, whichever is more convenient for you. But if you want to get notified anywhere where you are, and you are not close to your computer or something, and it's more convenient for you, then you can always obviously choose the text messages. So anyway, what else is here? Tutorials. Obviously they have videos how to get started. So let me see. That's obviously about the platform itself. Sending presentation, post a link, presentation notifications, import, export context, edit context, adding, and that's it. So you have few tutorial videos that you can see how to set it up properly, how to add your context, etc., etc. We have the frequently asked questions, as I said. It's very straightforward, but if you have any questions, you can always contact support. Over here, you can write them a message and ask them there is a problem and you need them to resolve it. Of course, this is analytics. It shows you basically how many people watched your video, and that's what it's showing, basically, that, you know, what results did you get, basically, what is the percentage, what are the analytics for a period of time. And of course, this is how it looks like. You can have a look. What was the outcome? How many links were created? Total viewers. Of course, I sent it to myself, so it will be me who started watching the video. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and I'm just going to give you a little bit of glimpse how the presentation looks like itself. Okay, so you can have kind of idea how it looks like and how interactive it is. I like it pretty much, because I think this is what every single person should need to help build their business, especially if they are not like not into explaining or not good public speakers. This is for them, because actually the video does all the talking and presenting and marketing and everything. So I highly recommend to use it, really. So anyway, let me give you a little insight how that looks. Okay, so basically when you click on the link, when someone clicks on the link, it comes up with a form that you have to fill in, or your prospect has to fill in, and basically you would have to give your first name and last name, your email address, and of course your phone number is optional. And then you would click obviously the button to watch, and then instantly if someone starts watching the video, the presentation, you would get notified. So I'm just gonna put my details right here. Here we go. So if I click watch, it will welcome me on my name. And then of course it would show me the person who invited me, which was actually myself. But of course in here it would show your name, and then here it would show your prospect's name. So let's have a look at then what the video shows. If we click play.
Hello, and thanks for taking a quick moment to watch this short presentation. We're glad you're here because today, more than ever, people are hurting. Jobs have disappeared, businesses have been forced to close, and people everywhere are struggling just to survive. If the recent events have taught us anything, it's that we can no longer depend on the old ways of earning money. We have to start doing things differently, working smarter, not harder, and having technology work for us, earning us money the way smart investors do. Well, imagine making money while you sleep, with no need for an office, no boss, and earning profits, rewards, and bonuses no matter where you are, whether you're at home, visiting friends, or on vacation. Today, you're going to learn about a cutting-edge quantum technology that can radically change your life, and it is 100% online. You're in charge during this short presentation. That means you'll be asked to click your screen and decide which information you'd most love to learn about. Let's jump in with a few questions. If you had $1,000 in the bank, earning an average interest rate, how much do you think you'd earn in a month? Believe it or not, the average interest rate at a bank is just 0.05% per year, which means your $1,000 would make just 50 cents in a whole year. That's it. Divide that by 12, and you've earned a whopping 4 cents per month. Do you think savvy investors earn more than that? Of course they do. Some make as much as 21% per month, not 0.05% per year. So why do you think everyone isn't doing that well? Click as many as you like, please. Unfortunately, most people believe they're all true. And until now, they have probably been right. But what if we told you that you could start earning profits, rewards, and bonuses with as little as $100 with a trusted company whose cutting-edge technology did all the work for you, and you'd earn up to 21% per month? So, starting with just $100 would get you $21 after just 1 month. And starting with $1,000 makes you a profit of $210 in just 30 days. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it is true. And by the time we're done today, you are going to owe the person who sent you this presentation a huge thank you. Go ahead and rub your screen to see the company that's letting everyone, not just the ultra-wealthy, make money in their sleep. If you're on a computer, left-click and drag your mouse. Qubitlife's mission is to provide effective ways for the average person and millionaires alike to earn profits and rewards by letting the pros trade cryptocurrency for you using the power of quantum computing, not human intelligence or emotion. So there's no need for you to study Bitcoin or Ethereum to figure out when is the best time to buy, sell, or hold. QubitLife's quantum technology and artificial intelligence do the work. So the only thing that you have to do to start earning up to 21% a month is to purchase what we call an educational license. And with just a $50 withdrawal minimum, your money is accessible to you anytime you need it. But it's not just the power of our technology that makes QubitLife so incredible. It's also the experience behind it. QubitLife's founders have a long history of success in fintech and have taken several companies public. The company's leadership team provides credibility, our blockchain technology offers full transparency, and our corporate model is built for sustainability. So there's finally a name you can trust in the field of cryptocurrency: QubitLife. Go ahead and choose what else you'd like to learn about, please. You can come back and look at the others later if you like, but which would you like to see first? And remember, you're in total control every step of the way by clicking the menu icon here.
Okay, so basically in here, after that little introduction, you can choose from all the options, or you can choose all of them if you want, if you like, and you can pick which topic you would like to hear more about. So if you want to hear about the leaders, that's the leadership. If you want to hear about basically longevity, company strength, you can pick that one. You can see the achievements and goals, basically what the company accomplished already, what are their future goals, what are they planning to do. You can pick that one, or you can have a look how you can earn money with this, or you can choose all of them. It's up to you. Okay, so after you've done that, you can just I'm just going to click finish up now.
So by now you're probably getting a better understanding of why QubitLife is teaching people from all walks of life how to earn money in their sleep. A rock-solid company, cutting-edge quantum technology, incredible leadership, a low minimum amount to get started, and over 200,000 users in the first 6 months. The only thing missing is you. What are you waiting for? Are you ready to put the power of quantum technology in your hand and start earning money while you sleep?
Okay, and now here, of course, you have an option to say, yes, I'm ready, and it will take you to the page, basically to register. Or if you say, I have questions.
Fantastic. So we can avoid the endless back and forth of missed calls and voicemails. Please enter your info, and we'll schedule a call.
Yeah, so basically, if you want to learn more, and if you still have questions, you can basically contact the person who sent you the info, who sent you the presentation, and you can schedule a meeting, a phone call meeting, to get your questions answered. If you still, if the prospect still has more questions about the company, about compensation plan, or anything like that. So there is that option. So I hope you like this video, and I think Idecide is going to be a great help if you are not a public speaker, or if you are still new, if you still aren't sure how to present the business. This could be a great tool to help you. So make sure you sign up, make sure you subscribe to my channel as well, so you would be notified of the upcoming videos I'm going to upload. And I hope you are having a great evening. Goodbye, take care.